Today, we've got a great rental income property located where there is no HOA. I can't wait to let you see this. So here we are at this beautiful townhouse right so close to Rick Seltzer Park. It's a great location on Thomas Drive. You've got plenty of space here, you've got your dining space, and right into a pretty large kitchen for a condo. Now I want to show you the bedrooms upstairs. Let's go. This bedroom is set up for multiple guests, the kids, an extra family or whatnot, and that bathroom, Jack and Jill's, right into the other bedroom. Both bedrooms have a balcony for just a little extra privacy. Let's check out the backyard. And once you're off the beach, you can relax here, grill out with the family, enjoy it in this quintessential coastal townhouse from the beach. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to enjoy your time on Panama City Beach.